Earn $20,000 per month. From today, anyone can make unlimited movies with AI VFX. CGI movies after watching this video. 2 minutes required to make your own AI movies from text to video or image to video to earn money online with only one AI. AI-based movie channels are earning at least $5,000 from YouTube. You can also start such channel with this AI. No script writing, no shooting, no face reveal need, no voiceover ad required to make this kind of CGI movies. I will show everything step by step. Stay connected till the end. So, you can now imagine creating ultra-realistic 8K movies with AI in just minutes, fully automated AI-generated scripts, AI stunning visuals, AI voiceover, dubbing and lip-sync with dialogues, instantly generate lifelike actors, complete with customizable looks, movements, and personalities. Integrated video songs and AI background music. Real-time editing, add cinematic camera effects. Choose from multiple genres and themes, automatically translate scripts and dialogues into multiple languages. Produce complete, ready-to-publish cinematic short films in less than 2 minutes in a single AI. Introducing the world's first AI app that creates Hollywood-level 8K cinematic movies with CGI and VFX, in just minutes, fully AI-powered Hollywood-level CGI and VFX in one click. Effortlessly transform your idea into ultra-realistic 8K cinematic movies. Create explosions, sci-fi cities, chase scenes, magical transformations, and more using advanced AI. With done-for-you actors, scripts, dialogues, music, and more. No manual video shooting, script writing, or face reveal needed. Experience these stunning AI-generated cinematic creations. Let's see another generation with this AI. You are watching some final output video clips before going in depth. I will show you everything in detail step by step. I will put the link in description. I recommend you to try this AI at least once in your life with 30 days money back guarantee. One-time payment, no recurring cost. I will provide a coupon code in the end of this video. Stay connected. This AI supports ultra-realistic 8K resolution, full-length movies with multiple scenes, AI crafts complete films seamlessly. AI movie dialogue, generate dynamic, realistic conversations automatically. AI-generated scripts and dialogues, automatically craft engaging, professionally written movie scripts and dialogues in seconds, tailored to the movie's theme and style. Integrated video songs, include pre-produced, high-quality video songs or generate custom musical scores to fit the cinematic tone of the movie. Instant movie creation, produce complete, ready-to-publish cinematic short films in less than 2 minutes, perfect for tight deadlines or content creators. Also, you will able to create 8K 3D animation movies with multiple genres and themes. Choose from a wide array of genres, e.g., action, romance, thriller, and pre-built themes to create diverse movie styles quickly. Multilingual support automatically translates scripts and dialogues into multiple languages, allowing for easy global distribution and accessibility. AI voice dubbing and lip sync seamlessly sync virtual actors' lips with AI-generated voices in multiple languages, ensuring smooth and realistic performance. Real-time editing and preview edit and preview the cinematic movie in real time, allowing users to make adjustments on the go before finalizing the video. You're just 3 clicks away. Now create full-length movies with multiple scenes from just one prompt. Before login to dashboard, you have already watched 2 movie clips that made with this AI, so you can now understand the capacity of this AI, and will must try for yourself. Let's log into dashboard and start your AI movie journey. You will find all necessary options on left menu. Let's make a new scene by adding prompt to this box. The better prompt you will able to input, the better result you will get. Add prompt and then click generate button will generate scene in seconds. Firstly, check your generated image. Remember, AI cannot generate outstanding images every time. So, I recommend you to check images every time to ensure quality. Now download your generated scene and go to CGI VFX Cinematics menu and then upload your download scene. And then click on generate button and wait for a while. And see the magic of this AI. This is the result AI provided. Is not it incredible? In this way you can make your movie scenes into ultra-realistic full-length movies with multiple scenes. Let's see another generation with this AI. After download all clips, create your final AI CGI VFX-based movie. Add all clips you generate and upload music effect. And finally click on generate video button will generate your complete video. How was that? You can also able to use all the feature like CGI VFX Assistant to make your movie VFX suggestion and more by just writing what you want. You will able to get instant support from this assistant section if you need any help. And use CGI VFX video name feature for naming your movie, VFX video slogan for generating slogan for your movie, CGI VFX video script for complete CGI-based movie script. VFX video voiceover for generating voice with multiple languages. Select language, voice, pace, and pause and then input your required voiceover script and see the result. And if you need VFX background music and sound effects, You can use the CGI VFX video music section and CGI VFX sound effects section. Explain your idea and check the result and use it to your video. Also, you can make video poster from CGI VFX video poster section. Not only that, you can also generate tags for your movie from tags section. In this way you can make your complete CGI VFX based AI movie. And upload then into anywhere internet and go viral and make money online. You can also use this video if you want, and if this video helps, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.